Ginger and turmeric are two of the most extensively studied ingredients in herbal medicine. Interestingly, both have been used for centuries to treat a variety of ailments, ranging from migraines to chronic inflammation and fatigue. Ginger's medicinal properties are mostly due to the presence of phenolic compounds, including gingerol, a chemical thought to possess a potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. It contains the chemical compound curcumin, which has been shown to aid in treating and preventing several chronic conditions. 1. Reduce inflammation. Chronic inflammation is thought to play a central role in the development of conditions like heart disease, cancer, and diabetes. It can also worsen symptoms associated with autoimmune conditions, such as rheumatoid arthritis and inflammatory bowel disease. Ginger and turmeric have powerful anti-inflammatory properties, which can help decrease pain and protect against disease. A review of 9 studies showed that taking 1 to 3 grams of ginger per day for 6 to 12 weeks decreased levels of C-reactive protein, CRP, an inflammatory marker. 2. Relieve pain. Both ginger and turmeric have been studied for their ability to provide relief from chronic pain. Studies showed that curcumin, the active ingredient in turmeric, is especially effective at decreasing pain caused by arthritis. Ginger has also been shown to decrease chronic pain associated with arthritis, along with several other conditions. For example, one 5-day study in 120 women noted that taking 500 milligrams of ginger root powder 3 times daily reduced the intensity and duration of menstrual pain. 3. Support immune function. Many people take turmeric and ginger at the first sign of sickness, hoping to enhance immune function and sidestep cold or flu symptoms. Some research shows that ginger in particular may possess powerful immune-boosting properties. A mouse study also noted that taking ginger extract blocked the activation of several pro-inflammatory immune cells and decreased symptoms of seasonal allergies such as sneezing. 4. Decrease nausea. Several studies have observed that ginger could be an effective natural remedy to soothe the stomach and help reduce nausea. A review of 5 studies also showed that taking at least 1 gram of ginger per day could help significantly reduce post-operative nausea and vomiting. Other research indicates that ginger can decrease nausea caused by motion sickness, chemotherapy, and certain gastrointestinal disorders. How to use ginger and turmeric? There are plenty of ways to add ginger and turmeric to your diet to enjoy the many health benefits each has to offer. The 2 ingredients work well together in salad dressings, stir fries, and sauces to add a surge of flavor and health benefits to your favorite recipes. Fresh ginger can also be used to make ginger shots, brewed into a cup of soothing tea, or added to soups, smoothies, and curries. Ideally, you should pair turmeric with a dash of black pepper, which can help boost its absorption in your body by up to 2,000%. Supplements that contain both turmeric and ginger are available as well, making it easy to get your fix of each in a single daily dose.